Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to CAS video update today. And CAS is on the move. It's just I don't know, man. CAS has been messing up with me for a while now, and it's fine. It's just another normal day in crypto. So what I do have to say is the following: we started making off a morning star on the weekly. We've had fake outs, man. I mean, we've had very bad fake outs. Like, for example, if I show you one fake out that does exist, you take the trend line, and from this trend line you can see that you actually went below it. You had this pattern here that you're breaking above, and then you break above this pattern right there. Now a lot of people are going to say this is almost like a cup and handle, right? And you're looking for another push to the upside. It can make a lot of sense, but what I was concerned about is that, you know, CAS back in the days lost it. Okay, you lost it right over there, you lost it right over here, you went for the retest, you closed below the trend line, and then the next week you start to push up. You push above the resistances as well. So what I'm going to say is, on the 4-hour time frame, we are pumping up again. Yesterday we went to the downside here, we made another fake out. Okay, another fake out. And what I'm going to say is the following. So look at the 4-hour time frame pattern. One resistance, second resistance right there. I move to the downside, and if I zoom in here, you're going to see that we just made one break. We made the break, we made the retest as well, came down, make a fake out again, take the stop losses here, and then you start to finally push to the upside. But unfortunately, you still have to wait a little bit longer, because on the 1-hour time frame, before getting bullish, keep in mind that you do have this one more resistance to beat that you haven't really beat just yet. So I'm going to tell you, this is going to be 1 touch, 2 touch, and you're making another 3 touch. So be careful. You may end up having 1, 2, 3 triple bottom right there, get rejected, and then come down again. Or in my opinion, if you start to break above here like this, then that's it. I do believe you're looking for a very big push up here, and that's going to be a price of 0.061834 or 835, I guess, and that's going to be like a 20% move up, which is pretty good. Another thing is the RSI as well is showing a bearish divergence. Okay, so you do have prices moving flat right there on the 1 hour, and you have the RSI pushing down again, which is not a very good sign. And if I dive into the 4-hour time frame as well, look at this. That's very clear bearish divergence right there. Okay, so this is not a good sign at the moment. You may get rejected. Okay, even though it does look like the plan is to actually pump up like this, but we may see a move down like that again because of that bearish divergence. But let me tell you one thing. All you have to do is, I think on the 1-hour time frame, is just keep an eye on this break above here, come down for the retest. This may be a good stop loss right there, and boom, this may push to the upside. It's all about breaking this resistance at the moment. If this resistance get broken out and you hold the retest as well, then even though you may have a bearish divergence, the prices may still have the chances to actually climb up again. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.